snowing and I'm on my way to get tested just because I came back on Sunday and got tested on Wednesday, but actually Tuesday. But I just want to be sure just because I have been pretty congested and I've been sneezing a lot, but I don't know if it's because I have been hanging out with my roommate's cat a lot and I'm allergic to cats. So we'll see. Hopefully it's nothing because I haven't really seen a lot of people this week, but you can never be too sure. We'll update you guys. Look at how beautiful and wintry Washington Square Park looks. It's so gorgeous. I don't know why I'm acting like I've never seen snow before, but I don't know. I just love winter and I love the cold. And I know a lot of people might not share the same sentiment, but if you do, please let me know. I would like to feel like I'm not alone in my feelings. Got home from doing some work at the library. I'm gonna order some food off of DoorDash now. I'm feeling a little soupy just because it's so cold and I just have some cramps and just want something warm and comforting. So I'm gonna order from this restaurant that my friend recommended like a long time ago. And yeah, debating on whether I should pick it up or have it delivered. Most likely delivered, but we'll see. I mean, it's not too far from me, so it's always good to get a walk in before the snowstorm too, so we'll see. Just got my food. I got pho with meatballs. Can you see that? And I'm just going to transfer it into this bigger bowl so that I can pour the soup in. Unfortunately, there's not a lot of noodles. This is a good bowl for, especially if you live in New York, it's like good for leftovers and like if you want to take food with you. I usually study at the library, so I usually take like takeout containers like this and put like snacks and stuff. So I'm gonna probably wash that and save it. Okay, this is the broth. My desk is very tiny, so I have to do everything. When I was younger, I never wanted to like put any of this in because I was like, didn't know how I felt about it. But now that I'm older, I'm like, I really appreciate the taste. There's like a couple of jalapenos in here, of course, one slice of lime, and of course the bean sprouts. So hope I don't spill this. It seemed like a little bit spilled from the top. It's like my second time. Oops. Oh, beautiful. Okay, fits perfectly. And of course we have to have the little line. Okay, and then they gave me some sauce. And I have my own chopsticks. Alright, I'm gonna eat now. So excited. Good morning. I'm currently at school waiting for clinical. Thankfully, the hospital is not too far, so I'm just here killing time. Currently reading my Kindle. I'm reading Minor Feelings by Kathy Yang. It's pretty interesting, and it's like more straightforward than the book I was reading previously, which was On Earth We're Briefly Gorgeous by Ocean Vuong. And although it's a good book, I'd have to say that I had to think a lot just because I feel like everything was very connotative. So I wanted to read something more straightforward. And my clinical is at 8, so I'll be headed there shortly. But yeah, I just wanted to give a little update. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be staying for the whole clinical just because I'm not fit tested. My appointment is later today at 3:40. So I'm literally just there to get my hospital ID badge. Snowing! Look! There's so much snow. Like, there's so much snow that it's hard to walk. Hold on, let me flip the camera or whatever. Okay, this is a poor example, but there are some streets where it's so hard to walk because there's just snow everywhere. Look, someone's shoveling the snow. Man, I feel for them. Like, actually, it's poor people. Hope they're dressed warmly enough.